Samidoh nĩaremetwo kũhitha marakara make na agaitũrũra ciugo nditũ mũno kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria. Ciugo iria ironekana gũkorwo aihũirwo nĩ marakara maingĩ mũno and also frustrations. Samidoh akĩonekania to be pouring out his frustration na oho gũkorwo akiumbũra maũndũ matiganĩte. Ndeto iria itigĩte mafans ake magayũkanĩtwo makĩyũria ĩ hihi no Samidoh ararĩrĩria, who is he addressing? Is it Karen Nyamu or is it Ide? Tondũ kũringana na ndũmĩrĩri ĩno Samidoh arekereirie, he is talking about a relationship that he has been in. Relationship ĩrĩa akoretwo ena mũndũ ũtaramũsupport, mũndũ ũtaramũteithia gũkorwo akĩbuild future. Na koguo Samidoh akauga atĩ gũtirĩ hĩndĩ angĩkorwo arageria gũkorwo akĩbuild future na mũndũ ũtaramũsupport ona hanini. Na koguo mafans makarigwo, is it Ide that he is talking about or is it Karen Nyamu? Na Samidoh shared this on his Insta stories akiuga, you can't build with someone who ain't trying to help you carry the bricks, ain't nothing but a mistake. Na njĩra ĩngĩ Samidoh akiuga he can't build a future with someone who is not supporting him in any way. Na akauga that is nothing but a mistake. Samidoh of course haha arakĩarĩrĩria a relationship that he has been in, either his past relationship with Karen Nyamu atĩ Karen ndakĩmonagia support, na Samidoh agakiuga he was left to build alone without anyone to support him or help him carry the bricks as he says. Or Samidoh is addressing his current relationship with Ide. Todo Samidoh must be addressing either one of these two, either Karen kana Ide, because those are the people that he has been with. Those are the people who have been his partners. Na agakiuga he cannot build life when the people that he is with are not being supportive to him. That relationship kana that marriage can never work. Ari Samidoh agĩitũrũra kĩeha na marakara make na kũhingũka ngoro akiuga, you can't build with someone who ain't trying to help you carry the bricks, ain't nothing but a mistake. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.